Hello everyone! Welcome to Maak Art channel. Today we want to go to the world of Bluey and Bingo together. Two small and kind dogs who experience different stories together. Today's story is about Bluey and Bingo going to the beach. We're playing on the beach. Sees a crab. At the same time, several seagulls wanted to catch that crab. Bluey tried to get the seagulls away from the crab. Bingo also took care of the crab. Bluey made the birds run away. Bingo also helped the crab to return to the sea. As I said, Bluey and Bingo are two very kind dogs. In the next videos, we will see other stories of Bluey and Bingo and their family. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.